Hi, welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. I'm Tiffany, and guess what? I lied. I have one more curl box to unbox with you, so I want to open it right now and see what it is. My last curl box was not my last curl box, but this is the last curl box. So, just a day or two ago, I got another curl box in the mail, and I was so confused. Outside of the box was this item, and this is the African Shebe Growth Collection Strengthening and Curl Perfecting Mousse from Design Essentials. And then here is the curl box. We're going to open it up, and this is what's in it. I don't see a postcard in here, but I'll go through each item and read what's on the bottle. So the story on the back of the bottle says, for centuries, women of Chad, Africa accredit Shebe powder as their secret to attaining healthy hair beyond their waist. They have graciously shared their tradition, helping create this naturally derived product designed to help achieve astonishing length by miraculously combating key inhibitors of growth. That is dryness, breakage, and damaged hair. Design Essentials believes in supporting African communities by donating proceeds from every bottle sold directly back to the community and proudly sourcing our ingredients fair trade from African importers. This is the Design Essentials African Shebe Growth Collection Anti-Breakage Moisture Retention Shampoo. This quick lather shampoo is specially formulated to gently cleanse the scalp and remove granules from the Shebe Masque without stripping natural sebum or moisture from open hair cuticles. With a nutrient-rich blend of strengtheners and humectants, this shampoo defines coils so well you might think it was a styler. That's interesting. So that's cool. Next, after shampoo, we usually condition. This is a leave-in conditioner though. So this is the anti-breakage moisturizing leave-in conditioner infused with Shebe, an organic strengthening agent, plus an African blend of over 20 essential oils. This leave-in conditioner deposits hair strengthening fibers and seals moisture into the hair cuticle. The distinct blend restores hair and scalp health and helps detangle and reduce comb damage. So that's the leave-in. Okay, so this one would be the first. This is the African Shebe Growth Collection Herbal Pre-Wash Intense Repair Mask. Infused with natural Shebe powder, this herbal mask instantly lifts hair cuticle and deposits nutrients essential to strengthening hair. This helps repair and nourish hair, minimize breakage, improve porosity, and promote astonishing growth. This is interesting. Let's see if I can open it. I love how it has the wood on the top, like the fake wood. Oh, this smells really good. This is the African Shebe Growth Collection Braid and Twist Out Strengthening Cream. This medium hold styler delivers high definition coils and twist outs that are smooth, shiny, and soft. This leave-in therapy is a special formula infused with fiber strengthening Shebe. The frizz-fighting no-flake formula strengthens and moisturizes with no residue buildup. So that's interesting. Maybe I will try this for a braid out or twist out, or even use it in my son's hair since I usually do wash and goes, but I am trying to do less wash and goes and more styles that protect my ends so I can see more growth. And then last but not least, which we already saw, is the Strengthening and Curl Perfecting Mousse. Infused with fiber strengthening Shebe and over 20 essential oils, this leave-in therapy styler will restore and strengthen your curls. This lightweight curl boosting mousse will lock in precious moisture while simultaneously defining your curls and coils with lasting hold and no crunch. So this is all really interesting. I'm actually thinking about using this right away. So I'm not sure if I want to use this collection or the Dove right away, but let me know what you're interested in seeing first. I might have already been trying it by the time you watch this video, but look out for some kind of style with this African Shebe Design Essentials collection. The last two curl boxes are items that I've never used. I did use the Dove Defining Cream and I liked it. If you saw my last video, you'll see how my hair came out great. I'm going to try it again and do a full wash and go and see if I get the same results. It's not always like that with natural hair. You can use a product and it's perfect. You go back thinking that you have perfection and it's a mess, and vice versa. You might use something and you hate it, try it again and it works. So I'm going to do a wash and go with the Dove soon, and I'm going to do something with this line. I don't know what is best for this mousse, but we're going to try something out and hopefully it is a success. They have QR codes on each item, so I'm going to scan them and see what it says. Maybe they'll have some recommendations for styles. Make sure you look out for that. I think this box was a really good one to close out the CurlBox with. Even though I'm still unhappy with their decision to close, I like that I have a bunch of new products that I'm excited to try. In an email that I received today is July 31st, the last day of CurlBox, they said it's not goodbye forever or something like that. I'll put the email here so you can see what it says. I'm hoping that CurlBox or the owner of CurlBox comes up with something even better and greater one day, or brings back the CurlBox. There might be new people that are waiting to try it out, so we'll see what happens in the future. If I have any other CurlBoxes that I did not unbox on camera, I will share them with you so you can see what else I got. I think there was a leave-in conditioner box and another one that I did not unbox on camera. Thank you for joining me in this final unboxing, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time, bye.